All right, in this last example, we're going to find out what this missing volume is for Pyramid B by comparing similar 3D shapes. All right, so Pyramid A and Pyramid B are similar. What does similar mean again? Same shape, different size. Being that, find the volume of Pyramid B. Okay, the first thing that we want to do here is we want to find out what the scale factor is. And by finding out the scale factor between units, it's going to help us identify, well, how much do we have to multiply by in order for us to find out what the volume is. So the scale factor, we're going to compare, don't compare volumes, you always want to compare like lengths, okay? So from 8 to 6, okay. Remember, if we want to do scale factor, you have to do it in a way where it's the image over the pre-image. So what does it become after? Well, if we start at Pyramid A, that means that the image is going to be Pyramid B. So we're going to get what is given to us? The height here. So the height, and you can do anything just as long as it's not volume. Height of Pyramid B over our pre-image. So what happens before? So pre, right? Over the height of Pyramid A. Cool. So Pyramid B is just 6, and then or the height of Pyramid B is 6, and then the height of Pyramid A is 8, and this simplifies to 3/4. All right. So our scale factor A is 3/4 so far. We're going to use that value to help us find out what the volume is for Pyramid B. Okay. How are we going to find out what the volume is? First, we're going to create a ratio of the volumes. So volume of, in the same manner, Pyramid B over the volume of Pyramid A equals our scale factor, A, cubed. The reason why it's cubed is because we're working with volume, and volume is in cubic measurements. So let's substitute these values. We do not know what the volume of Pyramid B is. We do know what the volume of Pyramid A is, and we do know what our scale factor is. So let me rewrite this. Volume of Pyramid B over the volume of Pyramid A, which is 96, equals 3/4 cubed. The reason why I'm putting that in parentheses is because if you were to write it like this, it's a little confusing, right? 3 cubed over 4. We want to show that we are cubing this entire value over here, okay? All right, and now all we have to do is just isolate what the volume of Pyramid B is, and we are good to go. The first thing that I'm going to do here is multiply this out, actually. So the volume, I hate having to write this all out, of Pyramid B over 96 equals, well, what is 3/4 times 3/4 times 3/4? That is the same thing as 3 cubed over 4 cubed, which is just 27 over 4 cubed. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is, I actually don't know. I'm such a bad math teacher. 64. So 27 over 64, okay? The next thing that we're going to want to do is start isolating this. So let's multiply both sides by 96. Times 96 times 96. So now the volume of Pyramid B equals 27/64 times 96. Let's go ahead and pop this into a calculator and see what we get. If you wanted to show out your work, you could do 27 times 96 divided by 64, which is what we're going to do. So 27 times 96 is 2,592. Whoopsies. And we're going to divide that by 64. So 2,592 divide 64. Oh, good thing we're almost done. Is 40.5. Equals 40.5. And that is going to give us the volume of Pyramid B. So 40.5 cubic meters is the volume of Pyramid B. Cool. So just to recap, first thing you want to do, find the scale factor, set up your proportion to find out the volume, and then substitute your values to get your answer. All right, that's it. Bye.